Hey, what's up YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick follow-up video on installing the Call Manager 8.5. A few weeks ago I posted some tips on how to install it by setting snapshots throughout the installation, but one thing I forgot to mention, which I had a power outage today, which reminded me. Sometimes when you install or load Call Manager fresh after a successful installation, or if it's been shut down and you power it up, all the services will start up and everything would look normal, but sometimes you might find you can't access the GUI. These phones aren't able to access the TFTP server, and as you can see, it's just stuck on registering. So it's almost like something's like hung. Now granted, these are on these Pentium 4 machines. They're not high-end by any means, but for this particular issue I found, and I'm not exactly sure why, but it works, is even though you can't open the web GUI, you can open up a SSH session to it. And so let me just log in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. This lens isn't very good. And what will happen is, oops, let me try that again. See if that works. Okay, so it says command line interface is starting up, please wait. This is what seems to kind of give it the little nudge that it needs. Once you get to the command line on here and it shows you your hardware platform, it'll say what type of processor and how much memory you have when you get to the command line. Once it gets to that point, then your phones should start registering, and then at that point you should be able to get into the web GUI as well. And like I say, I'm not sure why that is, but once after that this one-time thing, one-time logging in, then it runs flawlessly until it's restarted. So just wanted to point that out in case anyone was able to successfully install it, but then come to find they're not able to use it. So right now, it probably takes about 5 minutes, would be my guess. And it says, welcome to the platform command line interface. And again, you won't actually get to the command line until you see the output of your hardware information. So we'll wait for that, and then once that comes up, all these phones should start to register. So again, right now all these are just sitting on registering. The 7960s here keep changing from configuring CM list, and it tries to grab its phone file, and like over here, opening IP address, that's basically what it gets stuck on. So we'll just give it another minute here. Okay, so my call manager's making a liar out of me. It took like 10 minutes this time. Usually it's within 5 every time, and then of course the one time I do the recording, it takes a lot longer. So, but anyway, all the phones are registered now, and everything's working, and I can call between my phones without any delay. And Same like with Unity.
Hello, Cisco Unity connection messaging.
So everything's good to go. So hopefully, if you're having any problems like that, that works. I can't guarantee that's going to be, the case for everybody, but that's just one issue I get in my lab often, and that's a pretty consistent fix for me. So, thanks for watching.